Good morning, guys. It's sunny. Today is Thursday, December the 31st, and we are trading natural gas. In about 8 minutes, we will have a natural gas report. I'm expecting the prices to go down because we have high storage and low usage. The last week was a bit warmer than the previous week, so I'm expecting the natural gas usage to be less than the previous week. And from like various online sources, it's like about 120 BCF, which is like lower than last previous weeks. So I'm expecting the prices to come down. Overnight the prices jumped back up, and I was expecting the prices to go down, and so right now I'm like down to about $2,000 on my position size, $1,600 on the day. But I also have 1,077 shares. Yesterday I was selling about 50 shares after market close, so the entire order didn't get executed, so that's why I have this odd number here. Alright, so yeah, the prices, if you look at the 21-hour chart, you can see that over the weekend natural gas prices had gapped down, and as of 7 a.m. this morning that gap was closed. So like that that lower level of the gap is sort of like a resistance, and the prices now are bouncing down. That's another reason I'm expecting the prices to go down. At least I was expecting the prices to go down from yesterday's level, but I am like even more sure now that the prices will go down, at least from where we are now. So this 2.5 is like still a high price for natural gas, given that the weather is not going to be that cold, and we have so much gas in storage. So all these factors combined, and the indication seems that prices will come down after the report. I'm holding on to my 1077 share. Let's see how we do. Yeah, I don't have much money left to buy much of any. I can only buy like 30 more shares of gold. I shouldn't be doing this, but yesterday I was like pretty sure, given that storage is high, usage is low, prices will come down. Since like 7:40 a.m. it's been like steadily falling down. I'm mostly keeping below the EMA line. Even on the 5-minute chart, it's below the SMA line. That's been acting as a resistance. Let me show you. So since yesterday, it's been acting as resistance. Like yesterday morning, then during the live stream, and then it's been like acting as a support and then as a resistance. And like right after market open, it was acting as a support uh, throughout until recently. So it just bounced off of that, and then even now it tried to bounce off from here, but now it's below that. So that's a good indication that natural gas prices will fall down. On a 20-day 1-hour chart, yeah, the MACD is crossing down. It's been already in the overbought area. Now it's coming back down. 180-day chart, it seems like MACD is like turning around, but we don't have a confirmation yet on 180-day chart. But again, for short-term trades, 20-day 1 hour is enough. All right. Ooh. Yeah, so the draw was a little bit lower than expected, so it's supposed to be, bearish, but natural gas is going up. Yeah, that range was, it went down as much as it's gone up. It looks like the report was sort of like a neutral, you know, it's still going down. The 5 minute chart, the bodies of the candle are still below the EMA. On 5 minute chart, the green SMA line is still acting as a resistance. Even though the report seems neutral, it's like it's it's still in favor of the bulls, because it could be a catalyst in turning around the prices. Yeah, this report was a strange one. So we still have a higher than average gas in the storage. It's still within the 5-year range, but still higher than the average. The draw was negative. The draw was 114 BCF, which was a lot lower than last week's. Alright, let's see. It's still keeping below the middle VWAP. Let's see if the prices bounces down from this EMA line. Yeah, I was expecting the prices to fall down further, at least to the levels of yesterday. Yeah, at least 2.426. And I wouldn't be surprised if it reached 2.39. But yeah, natural gas is bullish. I don't know why. The weather seems to be warmer, high storage, and low usage. But overall direction still seems to be down. It already closed the gap from the long weekend, so yeah, right here was the lows of last week, and then on Monday it kept down. So this is where it kept down from 2.511. Alright. Yeah, I mean overall direction is still down, so I'm not worried about the price going up. Right, there is a resistance line here from before. So let's see if it crosses down or bounces. Right, still down about $1,400 on my position, about $900 down on the day. And like on 1 minute chart, you can see this green SMA line is acting as a resistance. So even though the price went up after the report, it acted as a resistance. Yeah, it's like last 3 days are basically a repeat. The prices go down and then come back above this green SMA line, and then bounces off of it, like early morning hours. Right, we are below that support line. Yeah, as of now, I don't see any signs of prices turning around. So let's see. Yeah, downtrend is still in effect. Prices are keeping below this EMA line. It's beginning to go a little bit sideways. Yeah, MACD is like quite low, so it could go sideways while the MACD recovers and then go down. Yeah, we have to see if it stays below this MACD. We tried to go above this EMA line, but got rejected. Yeah, like a 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart, the RSI is towards the low side, but it's still not in the overbought area. Alright, another attempt at going above the EMA line, but as of now, yeah, it's getting rejected. Right, another attempt. Still getting rejected by the EMA line, but it's still like keeping above this resistance line. Needs to break below this. Still keeping below the EMA line, and it's like just keeps getting rejected. So yeah, that's a good sign that the prices will continue to fall down. But we have this resistance line, support line, that it needs to break below. It looks like it just crossed over. Let's say it goes above the EMA line on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, so on 5-minute chart we have the EMA and the green SMA line close together. And even on the 5-minute chart it went above this green SMA line. It's at the VWAP line now. Right, it got rejected by the metal VWAP. Let's see if it goes for it again. But yeah, MACD RSI are towards the high side on 1 minute chart. Yeah, it's going for it again. And on 5 minute, it's looking like it's bouncing off the green SMA right here. But it's interesting, the main body of the candle is still below the green SMA line. So yeah, this green SMA line is like a key resistance support level. Let's see, on 1 minute chart, MACD is like turning around. Let's see if it goes below that EMA line. start approaching the EMA line on 1 minute chart. Let's see if it breaks below that. Yeah, there was about 1% bounce. Yeah, this green SMA line is looks like very crucial, on 5 minute chart. Especially this candle, it did go quite above and touch the VWAP, but the main body of the candle is still below the green SMA line. Right, looks like MACD is about to cross down on 1 minute chart. It's below the EMA, and it looks like, as of now, it looks like it's bouncing down. It went slightly above the EMA. On 21 hour chart, MACD has already crossed over, so even though it might fluctuate up and down a little bit. Overall direction seems to be down. So like you can see here, MACD has crossed over on 21-hour chart. It kind of came down below the EMA and it's bouncing from there. Let's see if it continues to go down. On 5-minute chart, the MACD has crossed in the up direction. But again, that green SMA line on 5-minute chart is acting as a huge resistance. Yeah, it went over the EMA line once again. Alright, it's back at that green SMA line on 5-minute chart. Let's see if it crosses over it or bounces down. On the other hand, if you look at the MACD on 1-minute chart, it's making lower high, so the general price direction still seems to be that down. I mean, it's also possible I'll just go sideways from here for the rest of the day. Tomorrow is a holiday again. I'm not quite sure yet if I'm gonna be holding my shares into the long weekend. Towards the end of the trading session, I'll have a clear picture, at least clearer than from now. As of now, like even on the day basis, like 20-day 1 hour chart, the indications are that the prices will go down. So I'll see how it looks towards the end of the day, and based on that, I will make the decision to carry over the stock into next week. Alright guys, good luck to you if you're trading stocks. As of now, the general direction still seems to be down. If you look on the 1 minute chart, the MACD is like making lower highs, so that's a good sign that the prices will go down. Alright, good luck to you guys. Take care. Bye for now.